Zimbabwe's gold gamble. Zimbabwe's central bank introduces digital tokens to boost the country's economy, but experts are skeptical. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe launched a gold-backed digital currency in a bid to stabilize its plunging local currency and attract foreign investment. The central bank recently said it had sold gold-backed digital tokens worth $25.6 million to investors in the first week of the scheme. But what are gold-backed digital tokens? Gold-backed digital tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that are backed by a certain amount of physical gold held by the issuer. The Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe said the tokens are tied to the market value of gold and can be used as legal tender and a store of value alongside the Zimbabwean dollar and bond notes. Users can buy and sell the tokens using Zimbabwean dollars and other foreign currencies through dedicated accounts or e-wallets created by banks. The Zimbabwean Central Bank noted the tokens have a vesting period of 180 days, have a prescribed asset status, and are acceptable as collateral for loans. The tokens can also be exchanged for physical gold coins at the discretion of the holders. Why did Zimbabwe introduce digital currency? Zimbabwe has been struggling with hyperinflation, currency instability, and economic challenges for decades. The country abandoned its own currency in 2009 after it reached astronomical levels of inflation and adopted a multi-currency system that included the US dollar, the South African rand, and the Botswana pula. In 2016, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe introduced bond notes as a surrogate currency to ease cash shortages, but they quickly lost value against the US dollar. In the same year, the central bank reintroduced the Zimbabwean dollar as the sole legal tender, but it continued to depreciate against major currencies. According to the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, the introduction of the gold-backed digital tokens is part of the country's efforts to stabilize the local currency, mop up excess liquidity in the market, and attract foreign investment. The banking sector regulator also said the tokens will provide investors with a platform to save, invest, and transact in gold, which is one of Zimbabwe's main export commodities. But will the e-currency work? Economists and analysts have expressed doubts about the effectiveness and sustainability of the gold-backed digital tokens in addressing Zimbabwe's currency challenges. Thanks for watching. For more news updates from Token Tide, hit that subscribe button.